My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called AdzEater. So this is the special extension designed specifically for Google Chrome. The developers indicate that you would be able to block advertisements while surfing the internet. But in reality, this extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the tremendous portion of ads instead of blocking these ads. Anyway, if this extension was added to your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove this extension. So, after this has been successfully accomplished, the trouble should be fixed. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.